Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the 2024 Manila Auto Salon. And right now, nandito tayo sa may-ari ng rig na to, si Boss Philip.
Hello, good afternoon.
Boss Philip yun. Okay, so quick walk around lang tayo ng sasakyan ni Boss Philip. Dali Toyota Hilux, first place, okay. Okay, quick walk around, Boss Philip. Saan tayo mag-uumpisa? Harap palikod?
Sa harap muna tayo.
Okay, harap tayo.
Okay. We have here sa bumpers, we have the aluminum rival bumpers plus UVP, and we have GME antenna, PIA, fog lamps and cow lights.
Okay.
Of course, light bars rin. And we have our front runner Slim 2 Rock plus the box, and we have the propane tank, water system.
Okay.
Of course, TJM aluminum snorkels also.
So, aluminum snorkel ng TJM.
Yes. TJM sliders. Okay. And one of our highlights is the Gen 3 Alucab RTT.
Yan.
Okay.
Gen 3R na Alucab rooftop tent.
Okay.
Ito, Boss Philip, baka di nila nakita. Ano tong nakapalaman dito natin?
We have the front runner na table. Yun. So sa kabilang side na engage. Okay.
Okay.
And of course, we have the Smart Cap canopy.
Smart Cap canopy.
Yes, so. And sa
ano
wheels naman natin, we installed the general tires, rubber tires, and of course, ROH 17 rims.
Okay.
And
ito yung power. Nagpa-power sa'yo, syempre.
Highlight.
Tanggalin mo na natin to.
Yes, so highlight natin is the ATEM power. We have 200 AH battery, slim type. Pakita ko sa inyo kung yung slim type.
Yan.
Okay. Ito yung slim type battery natin. Yan.
Yun, yan na yung battery mismo, Yan na yun.
200 AH.
Okay.
And also, we have our front runner ref slider.
Front runner ref slider.
And, syempre, my Coolman for our ref. And, Nespresso machine.
Yan, basic na pang coffee maker ni Boss Philip. Tsaka yung
may
Coolman, syempre, na fridge freezer.
Of course, nag-install din tayo ng Linex.
Ito, naka-Linex din to.
Sa bed natin.
Okay.
Yun.
Ano pa? Doon sa kabila mo, Boss Philip.
And of course, ito malaking bagay sa atin to, TJM na light. So, napapalitan to ng mga ilaw. So, we have the
Okay,
white.
okay. Perfect to sa mga may canopy, no? Actually,
Yes,
perfect siya in general. Hanapan nyo lang ng kabitan. Pero ito kasi sa canopy ni Boss Philip, sobrang sakto siya. Ayan,
Yan ang
Okay, sige. Sa kabila tayo.
So, sa kabilang side, we have ito yung utility box ni Smart Cap. So, yan, perfect lagyan ng mga tools.
Ito, ano ba mga nakakabit mo dito, Boss Philip? Ito, syempre, meron kang basic na knife na
scissors, yung Raptor scissors.
Okay.
And then, carabiner, then ropes. Siyempre, fire extinguisher. Thank you, Eagle.
Yun,
for the fire extinguisher. Yan. So, we have a basic axe, yung mga tools natin. Basically, that's it. Yun lang, simple lang ang setup natin. Yan.
O yun, Boss Philip, baka may gusto kang pasalamatan sa build mo na to kasi nagkaroon siya ng award, di ba?
Oh yes, so thank you. First of all, salamat sa Manila Auto Salon for this wonderful event. And Motul for sponsoring this event. And of course, sa lahat ng tumulong sa akin mag-build dito. And Autotech Detailing pala. Yun, maraming salamat sa winning
work, kumbaga. Yan. Pero itong lahat na nakakabit dito, Boss Philip, saan available to?
Sa Premium Overland, makikita nyo lahat to, available to lahat sa Premium Overland. Located at Pasig, si Raimundo. And yun. And salamat rin kay Boss Eman, Banayad Adventures.
Dali, meron din shop si Boss Philip, Shop mo, Boss Philip, para sa mga budol natin sa technology na
So, if you wish to have or plan to have action cameras, EcoFlow, like Insta360, GoPro, Apple accessories, we have lahat yan sa Tech Pro Unlimited. We have our humble store at sa Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Yan.
Soledad 3.
Yun.
Thank you very much.
So that's it, everyone. Yan yung rig ni Boss Philip, of course. So thank you guys for watching, and we are here at the 2024 Manila Auto Salon.
Thank you.